Hello everyone. In this video I will explain public, private and protected, which are access specifier in C++. So these access specifier are actually used to specify a scope for a variable. So let's create some class to demonstrate the usage of the access specifier. So we'll include IOStream header file and we will use std namespace. And let's create a simple class. And this class let's having one data member A. So if a data member is private, so by default everything in class become private, but let's use this private access specifier. So if a data member is private, it means this variable A, it can only be used in the block where it is declared. So this variable A can be used only in class 1. If we try to access this variable outside the class, there will be one error. So let's see what will happen if we try to access this variable outside the class. So here we are creating a simple object of class 1, and then here we are trying to assign a value to variable A. So what here we are doing, we are accessing a private member of class 1 outside this block, and private access specifier, they specify that if a member is a private, this member only can be used, only can be accessed only in this block. Okay, so outside access to this variable will not be allowed. So let's see whether it is working in the same way or not. So here we will change our directory because this code is saved on desktop. We will compile our code. So when we will compile it, so there is one error. This error is saying that a member is private and we are trying to access this member outside the class. So that's why there is a error. So private data member, these data member only can be accessed inside the block where they are declared. Now if we make these data member public, so public means these member can be accessed anywhere in your program. So now if we try to compile our program, there won't be any error. See, now there is no error because we have made this member as public, and public can be accessed anywhere. Now there is one more access specifier in C++ which is protected. So protected and private both are same if there is no inheritance used in the code. The only difference between private and protected, let's create a child class to demonstrate the difference. So this child class, in this child class we are making a public function void show, and here we will create object of class 2. So here if you can see we are having a class, we will make this class as a child class of class 1. So this class, the parent class, is having one data member, and let's make this data member private. And in child class we are trying to access value of that data member of parent class. So this is a private, and private only can be accessed in class 1. So in this program there will be error again. Okay, there is one error. Why? Because private only can be used in the class in the block where they are declared. Now if we change this private to protected, so protected and private both are same, except protected data member can be accessed inside the child class. Okay, if there is no inheritance in your code, in that case protected and private both will work same. But if there is an inheritance, private, it can be used only in the block where it is declared, whereas protected data member can be accessed in child class. So now if we'll execute our code, there won't be any Okay, so we actually missed a semicolon somewhere. We have to, okay, here. So now this code is compiled. Okay, so protected and private both works same manner. Only difference is that protected data member can be accessed in child class, whereas private data member only can be accessed in the block where they are declared. Public data member can be accessed. Public data member or public function can be accessed from anywhere. Thank you very much for watching.